I need it out of the way.
Good?
Yep. When that comes down, it's going to need pulled out. You're probably going to need Taylor to help you.
Taylor. Yes, sir. Coming.
Hang on, this other piece. Oh, I can't tell what it's on, but it's hung. Oh, that little tiny stuff there. There it goes.
Hold.
Really? I didn't mean run it just far enough down to be a problem.
Does that work?
That's like super loose, dude.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay, I got time.
Okay.
Hit the camera. It's going already.
Oh, okay. Got one more.
Okay. Like that should be bad.
That's not it.
Oh, you just went to the wrong side with that.
Yeah.
Is that ready to get lowered?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna go get on there.
I don't think we have enough rope to the front here.
Huh? I don't think we have enough rope. Oh, you don't? Okay, then trade me spot. I'll pull on it, so just in case you have to, I can. Alright, you ready?
Yeah. About instead of running it right where my line is, there you go.
Oh, you're talking to me.
Yeah, you.
Close?
Yeah, buddy.
That was perfect.
Yeah, it was. I didn't know if it would come past all this, and I wasn't sure if it would slide past all of that. Boy, it just beautiful.
It is now.
Be smooth. It's a heavy piece. Take a wrap off there. Not smooth. There you go.
Now that was a chunk.
Alright, try to be smooth with it.
Am I letting it run?
So I said, try to be smooth with it. But you're going to have to watch because you ain't going to have a whole lot of distance.
Yeah.
Beautiful, just float it down there. I'll take that.
It got a little hot. I left my gloves at the house.
Well, you'll remember next time, won't you?
Yeah.
I'm only about 2 octaves low. I was close.
Close enough, anyway.
Good.
Yep.
Watch out, Lance.
Yeah. Evan.
Swing that over the yard. Send it. Or that works too.
He was in the way. I kind of just put this in it. I mean, I could have.
You should have seen his eyeballs. He thought you were.
Hold it.
This piece right here.
Okay, I'll hold.
Good.
Yeah. Okay.
Hold it and let it come onto it, and then, you know what I mean? Don't let it get too much of a run on you. Burn your hands.
We used a keyway, keep it off of all the ground cover right here. And it worked. It bounced out and went over here. That wasn't exactly the plan, but it's where it needs to be without being on the ground cover, so mission accomplished.